Welcome to class. Have you ever seen an acronym online and you had no idea what it meant? That's right. Today, we're going to break down 50 acronyms people use online so you can text, comment, and post with confidence. Are you ready? Let's go! First up, we have the infamous RBF. Resting birth face. Well, kinda. You might have heard a different word in there before. It's really called the resting face. It refers to someone's neutral face, looking unintentionally annoyed, disinterested, or even mean. But hey, no judgment here. We all have our natural expressions. Here's some acronyms that people use every day when it comes to casually texting or anywhere on social media. Laugh out loud. That joke was hilarious. LOL. Be right back. She's calling me again. BRB. Got to go. Are you still in the bathroom? Sorry, but IGTG. I don't know. IDK what time the movie starts. To be honest, TBH, I just want you to read more. In my opinion, or in my humble opinion. IMO, that looks like the best option right there. Shaking my head. He forgot his keys again. SMH. In case you missed it. ICYMI. Here's the link to the article. Too long. Didn't read. TLDR. The reports are coming in non-stop. Just kidding. Excuse me. I'm over here. No, over here. JK. Talk to you later. I have to run. TTYL. Rolling on the floor, laughing. That meme had me ROFL. Let me know. LMK if you're coming to the party. Never mind. NVM. I found the answer myself. I don't care. Pick any restaurant. IDC where we eat. I know, right? That movie was amazing. IKR? What you doing? Hey, WYD this weekend. How about you? I'm going to the beach. HBU. Too much information. Ew, TMI. I didn't need to know that. Hit me up. If you're free tonight, HMU. Next up, these acronyms are huge in social media, especially on YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram. Fear of missing out. I'm going to the concert because of FOMO or FOMO. You only live once. Bought the tickets. YOLO. Greatest of all time. That performance by Michael Jordan makes him the GOAT. One true pairing. They're my OTP in this series. A hardcore fan. I stand that artist so much. As beep. It's cold AF today. Direct message. I'll send you the details via DM for the win. Pizza. FTW. Point of view. You're at the top of the mountain in my POV. In case you didn't know. ICYDK, the event starts at 7 p.m. Best friends forever. Met up with my BFF today. My face when MFW. I realized it's Monday tomorrow. Throwback Thursday. Here's a pic from last summer. TBT. Laughing my off. That joke had me LMAO. Not safe for work. Don't open that link. It's NSFW. So, as you can see, acronyms aren't just for fun, they're also huge in work and professional settings. So, here's some acronyms or abbreviations you might catch in your emails or hear from your supervisors or teammates at work. End of day. Please submit the report by EOD. Estimated time of arrival. What's your ETA to the meeting? For your information. FYI, the meeting has been rescheduled. As soon as possible. I need that document ASAP. Out of office. I'll be OOO next week on vacation. Paid time off. I'm taking PTO on Friday. Close of business. Finish the task by COB today. Team lead. Our TL will guide us through the project. Subject matter expert. Consult the SME for detailed information. Key performance indicator. Our KPIs show we're right on track. Finally, some gamer and internet slang acronyms you should know. Good game. We lost, but it was a GG. Non-playable character. That shopkeeper is just an NPC. Away from keyboard. BRB, going AFK for a bit. Player versus player. I prefer PvP over solo missions. Finally, these internet slang acronyms and gamer abbreviations, you should really know them because your kids use them a lot and you don't want to feel out of the loop about the discussions they have online. So we have a couple more that should grab your attention. Oh, it's actually the last one. Overpowered. Or if you're on Reddit, we have the original poster. That new weapon is so OP, it makes the game too easy. There you have it. 50 acronyms to help you navigate online conversations like a pro. Which one was new to you? Drop it in the comments below. Also, let me know if you want to see a video about the next 50. So then you can know 100. All right, keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.